Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem, this time from Andhra Pradesh Common Entrance Test, and this is a bit on an easier side question. Let us see the question first. The question goes something like this. An object is projected upwards from the foot of a tower. The object crosses the top of the tower twice with an interval of 8 seconds and the object reaches foot after 16 seconds. The height of the tower is. So the question is, you have a tower and from that tower, I'll write it neatly. So here, if you have this tower here, okay, so crosses the top of the tower, okay, a particular object crosses the top of the tower twice with a interval of 8 seconds. That is, if there is a stone, it goes up, then comes down, and when it reaches here, it takes 8 seconds. So when it is here, 0 seconds, goes up, comes down, and then falls down, right? And to reach the bottom of the tower, it takes 16 seconds, right? So now the question is, we have to find out what is the height of the tower. So let us do that, okay? So first of all, if you say from 0 seconds to 8 seconds, it means to go from the top of the tower to the top of its trajectory, it would have taken half of this time, that is 0 and 8 seconds, it would have taken 4 seconds, right? So to reach here, it would have taken 4 seconds. We do not know what is the velocity here, but we know what is the velocity here, that is v is equal to 0, right? So let us apply this v is equal to u plus at, where v is 0, u we do not know, and acceleration is minus g, and time taken is 4 seconds, right? Minus g in the sense we will apply it as 10 meters per second, okay? So let us take it as 10 meters per second. Generally, if it is not given, it is better to take 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second square. So 10 meters per second square into time, which is 4 seconds. Now this together will come as, this means u comes as 40 meters per second, right students? So u comes as 40 meters per second. Now next what we have to put? We have to put the equation of the second equation, which is ut, s is equal to ut plus half at square, right? Now here, one of the things what has to happen is, we need not take the duration from, we can take the duration from starting till the end. That means I can take s is equal to u, we know, because initially when it is thrown up, we know it is in 40 meters per second speed, plus half into what is a is minus 10, right, into t square. T square is, we can take 16 square, and when we do that, we get the answer as minus 640 meters. That means the tower is actually, the height is, see, positive direction we have taken it like this, but what we got is as a negative direction from this point. That means this distance would be 640 meters. Pretty high tower, is it not? So we have to understand how big is Burj Khalifa and compare it with this, okay? It's big, very big tower. Maybe in some of the advanced countries only you have these kind of towers, okay? But still, we got the answer, which is 640 meters. So 640 meters is the right answer. So I hope you have enjoyed this, students. All the best. Happy learning.